Good morning. Welcome to the Door to Door YouTube channel, the greatest garage door YouTube channel as per me. Today, we're getting this boy set up for service and installs. Haven't been using it too much, but the way the truck market is going, it's worth getting this thing fixed up rather than trying to find a new truck right now. So that's what we're gonna do. Gonna fill it up with springs, all the parts and tools that we need, since not really sure what's on here. So let's see what we find. First, we're gonna check our springs. As far as I know, there ain't much on here. Got some 330 spring and a spring extension springs. Oh no, what are these ones? Find these 330s. These are probably 2 something. We'll figure that out. And then we got some tans and some golds. Really not much in here, so we're gonna have to stock up a lot. I just put some pulleys on there the other day, but need some 4-inch pulleys. Let's see what else we got. So this is what we had on there for springs. Like I said, not much. A couple of torsion springs, some advantage springs, some Rando 207 wire springs that I'm not sure what they were for, but keep them in a bunch of double door extension springs. Why I have this many, I don't know. Not much for the standard extension springs. So we'll, looks like we need a little bit of everything here. See, just stocking up now all the hardware and traditional door hardware that we have, some torsion hardware. Try to keep enough to do 2 doors on the truck. I won't be doing a ton of service out of this truck, but just in case I have to, I'm trying to make sure I got everything you need on here. So feeling pretty good. Loaded up this thing with all kinds of goodies. Some hinges back on this. Got all my torsion springs in the back here. Yeah, all right, so it's the next day. Ended up getting called in to do a couple calls yesterday, and didn't get to finish recording setting up the truck, but we are good. Let's take a little walk around, and she's ready to go. Just a couple of fun things to note. This is about as work truck gets. When's the last time you saw these? Crank windows. This is 2005, so it's a little bit older, but still. It does have air conditioning, but AM FM radio. No floor mats, which in a work truck is honestly better. But not much going on in here as far as modern amenities. It does have the tow package. Didn't come with a hitch, and we don't really use a hitch, so don't need that. But other than that, pretty stripped down. That's one thing I like about this truck, nice and simple. All right, a little walk around. It's all clean. Got pressure washed last weekend. All set up. Tools in the front here, since this is a single cab. Keep them protected from the rain a little bit better. Tool bucket here. Got a motor head here in case I need it. Here we're pretty set up. Screw box fasteners, a couple odds and ends, some cables, oil, some bottom rubber. My Sawzall for when you need it. Still needs a few things, but I was able to do 2 calls out of her yesterday. It had everything I needed. Plenty of pulleys. Good assortment of extension springs over here. This side I got everything set up. This boxes don't hold water too great. They're a little bit older. So everything in the boxes, but traditional hardware, some odds and ends, some AMAR pinch resistant, as we do a lot of AMAR doors and come across it. Some extra torsion hardware in case we need it. Some random opener parts. All my remotes and keypads are in here. And open electronics. But she's ready to go. I was comfortable working at it yesterday. I was able to find everything. That's nice and organized. Gotta get some caps for these tubes so I can use them. I'm thinking I'll put some steel in this one and maybe an extra opener rail on that. So I have an opener ready to go and it's protected. But the caps have gone missing. So I have to go get some more of those. All in all, I'm ready to work out of this. Gotta get a few random things to really complete it, but pretty excited with it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.